In this video, I will show you how to add job board to Wix website. In order to do that, head over first to Elf site, then scroll down and click on this add new app. From in there, it will show you this, so click on the search widget and search in here for job board. We can see it right here, so click on it. And then after that, just choose the template that you want for your job board. So for example, for this one, I'll head over and then use this and click on this continue with this template. You can click on this add a job and then put in here the title. So for example, let's put in here manager, choose in here the company, and then put in here the department as well as the location. So continue doing that and then adding in here some salary as well. Just continue doing and putting in here some more information. Once you're done filling out the job, click on this publish option right here. And then after that, this will publish this. So just pick a plan to install the widget. I'll just choose the free plan and then it will show you this one. Click on this copy code right here and add this to your HTML editor. Head over right here to Wix and then just put it wherever you want to put it. And then click on this plus icon right here. Go to embed code and then click on this embed HTML. And then as you can see, it will be added to your site. From in there, click on this enter code in order to put it and just paste in here this. Click on update, then close it, and then just wait for this to put in here and then show you this job board that we have created.